A lot of friends ask me to get them on ships and say, I want to do cruise ships. Can you get me with your agency or whatever? Sometimes I'll see that their act is not ready for that circuit. And I'm not doing anybody any favors by submitting them because now you're not going to work there anymore. I don't look good. My agency doesn't look good. You don't look good. Everybody loses. As far as knowing if your act is ready or not, that's really tough to say, because you've seen, as performers, we've all seen acts say, "Oh, my act is so fabulous," and then you go and you just, you can almost, it's like a train wreck. You can barely watch it, and then you see some acts that that don't talk much about their show and they just kill it. So your perception of your show is, and sometimes. Not the right perception. I would say this, as far as knowing if your act is ready or not, it does have to be airtight. It's got to move. It's got to be pretty fast paced. You got to be a likable character. It's tough to say. You just have to have a really pro slick show.